Yes, Jeff Bezos has built this insane company. He's the most wealthy person in the world, but it's come at a price, a very controversial price. Let's talk about that today. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ken Kernen, and this is 80/20 investing, where investing is as simple as can be. This is a segment I like to call Mad Minute Investing, where I talk about the top stock stories today in 60 seconds or less. On today's video, let's try and get 140 subscribers. Let's get 5 comments and 20 likes. As always, comment whatever you want and tell me what I should talk about in the next video. Without any further ado, the clock starts now. So this is a really cool article from time.com, and it's titled Amazon Warehouse Workers say they have been working without air conditioning, experience exhaustion and dehydration. It's coming from the complaints in one of their centers or warehouses in Minnesota. Yeah, these workers are suffering from no air conditioning. They're experiencing exhaustion, dehydration, fatigue, injuries of all kinds. It just comes from Amazon's incredible expectation to deliver the best, to minimize costs and put the customer first always. You know, I love Amazon. I believe that's what's fueled a lot of their growth, but eventually they're going to need to rebalance themselves. I appreciate how customer-centric they are, but what about the workers? I feel like they should be treated almost like the customer, or really valued, preserve them in the long run, because workers are going to become more and more important to the success of Amazon overall, and this bad publicity isn't helping them at all. You know, they need to work on helping the sellers, creating better situations for them, helping out their workers, creating better situations for them. I appreciate the endeavors. I like getting free refunds and, you know, being able to send back anything I don't like as an Amazon Prime member. But at the end of the day, if people are literally getting injured in these warehouses and nothing is being done, that does call for a change. Overall, Amazon, great company. Stock's going to explode or continue to explode, but they do need to fix some internal issues. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Please comment what you thought of this video, what you want me to talk about in future videos. Help me get to 20 likes, 140 subscribers, and have a wonderful day.